Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a double knitting tutorial. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do the 1/1 right crossing cable in double knitting. And it's quite simple, and it's done like this. Insert the tip of the right needle into the third stitch on the left needle, missing out stitches 1 and 2 entirely. Slide the left needle out of all 3, and those 2 will pop free at the back, and then you can just slide the left needle back in and stop those from going anywhere. Swing the tip of the right needle round to the back of the work, and then insert it into the back of what is now stitch 3, again missing out stitches 1 and 2. Once again, slide the left needle tip out of all 3, and those 2 will pop free at the front, and then you can slide the left needle back in, and then you bring the needle round again, and all you then do is slip both of those stitches purlwise back over onto the right needle. Now everything's in the right place for you to just work standard pairs of double knitting into those 2 pairs like so. I'm following the same colors as the stitches below, so you might have different colors in your pattern, but all of those options will work. I'm just going to work 1 extra pair at the other side to straighten things out for you before I show you what we've done. There you can see, ignore that one. These are the 2 columns of stitches that cross over very nicely, and then we have it on the back where it crosses over to the left, which is exactly correct. I've worked all 4 of the cabled stitches with open stitches because I was working through the front leg in each case, or the leading leg. You could choose to twist your leading stitches in the first pair, in which case you just work them through the back leg or through the trailing leg, depending on how it's mounted on your needle, and that would give you a nice sort of neat and tidy twist ones. I haven't done that in this example, but I want you to know that it is an option. That is your 1/1 right crossing cable in double knitting.